Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, today is 21st of December and we are here for a daily market kya lagta hai observations. We're going to review Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, what we had projected yesterday and how the indices are panning out. See, clearly one thing is for sure, the last 15 days of December towards the year end are in a way non-directional. The participation is less, the volume is less, and as a result of which we are moving in a particular range right now. So the range broadly is between 18,400 to 18,200. That's a 200 point range and we are just oscillating between this particular range. For Nifty, if you see, the range is 43,450 to 43,000, right? So 43,000 to 43,450 is a 450 point range and we are oscillating right now between this particular range. Now let's take a look at Nifty individually. If we look at Nifty individually, we are talking about a particular new low which is close to our previous target of 18,198. We got a low of 18,202, so about 4-5 points off from our target. So from here I will say that this target is almost completed and we are bouncing here. Now this particular low which is formed yesterday is going to play a very crucial role. I will not be bullish, I'm repeating it again, I will not be bullish unless and until this 18,604 is taken out, unless and until this level is taken out, which is our 2021 October high previous years. So as long as this level is not taken out, I will not be bullish, because now I feel that it will be difficult for bulls to protect this level. So they will not be able to pierce through this level, and then again we might form a lower high and we should continue to fall. This is what my expectation is, and that precisely is the reason for last couple of days I am trying to avoid intraday trades, even though I traded yesterday because this was a very clear indication that it's going to be an up move. So intraday we traded for this particular move and it was a good healthy quick run in like 15-20 minutes. It was an intraday trade, so got the trade. I traded into futures, but now towards the end I booked my positions. I may be having that. Yeah, so these are my entry orders and exit orders. So entered at about 254, very quick, and next 15 minutes I exited. So 20 minutes trade, very quick fire, and that was the only trade I took for intraday purpose. Cool. So again, now the thing is clear. The target that we are seeking here can be around 18,500 probably. If it breaks 18,500, or more importantly, if it breaks above 18,604, then we will relook at the bullish probability. But right now, the bullish probability is not that of a greater probability, right? So we'll trade intraday if you feel like, but at this point in time, the focus should always be on, at some point in time, this Nifty is going to give up, and from there should be a good falling move, and we should not miss that particular move. This is what about Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, now see, for Bank Nifty, again the scenario is something like we are at 43,400 mark. I feel 43,500 should be protected. The target, this is the target, and this level should ideally not be taken out. Okay, my view will change if we cross above this level. Okay, we'll start looking at a bullish probability if this level of 43,767 is gone. Above this level, I will look for bullish trades. So for now, I'm expecting this 43,500, and this is going to remain in the sideways kind of a zone. So that's another advantage for us. But just try and understand, we are in a range bound scenario so far. So this range bound scenario also tells us that we may see prices moving in a downwardly manner pretty quickly. For last couple of days, like day before yesterday and yesterday, I am not very active on intraday things for a very simple reason, because these kind of moves, when there these kind of moves are happening against the trend, at that point in time someone might get confused so much so that you will forget the major trend that you are trading. So these kind of sideways actions or these kind of moves, which are in a way euphoric in their nature, but at the same time these are in a way stop loss hunting that is happening. So for someone who is a long here in this position, the stop losses were triggered here. If someone who was short from the beginning of the day, so the stop losses for them got triggered here. So this kind of a stop loss hunting is happening. It's better to wait for the clarity of the trend. If you feel like you're identifying this intraday thing, you can very well trade this, but it has to be quick and you have to be agile to trade all these kind of trades. I'm preferring futures rather than buying options at this level. Selling part, if you see, so we are already into a trade that is going on still strong, and probably many of you will now understand that why I am into a short strangle for past so many days. And this particular trade is keeping us, in spite of the volatility in market, this particular trade is keeping us in a right way, in a right direction. Okay, so this is a iron condor that I'm into, and currently this iron condor is delivering somewhere around 80,000 rupees as per this. Yesterday I booked a position. Yesterday I booked 18,100 position, and that was in a way a double hedge for the trade. Yesterday when I realized that now the market is not going to go immediately down, so then that was the level I thought about booking this 18,100, and I'm keeping the rest of the positions intact. So it's a healthy 9% ROI on the total capital that is deployed, about 12,57,000 rupees. So that's how the trade is going, and still has got a better potential to deliver. So wait and watch for this particular trade. Nothing spectacular needs to be done. You just have to be in the trade, be patient and be in the trade. Guys, many of the times the strategies which gives you consistent profits, consistent returns are simple, and we tend to make things complicated. So give it a thought and just go through these things again and again, mark these levels, and intraday things will be much simpler for you. Thank you so much guys. I'm signing off. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.